What's going on, guys? Nick Foy here, RE/MAX Oakcrest Realty, giving you 3 quick tips today when buying a home. So tip number 1, make sure that you have secured multiple quotes from multiple lenders to make sure you've compared interest rates. Since interest rates are going up, certain lenders may have lower interest rates than another lender, and this could save you thousands of dollars over time. So get multiple quotes, just like you would if you were going out hiring a contractor to do repairs on a home. You'll get multiple quotes and compare those bids to make sure you make the best selection with a lender. Tip number 2, when writing an offer, consider using an escalation clause. This can help you beat out other competing offers. Other offers might stop at a certain price level. Let's say the home's priced at $150,000. Some of these other offers might come in higher at $155,000 or $160,000. But if you use an escalation clause, this allows you to match and exceed any other offer by $1,000 up to a certain price maximum that you set. So you can set your escalation clause to go up as high as $175,000, for example. So if all the other offers come in at $160,000 or lower, then your offer would be $161,000. You would exceed the highest offer of $160,000 by $1,000. So this would make your offer automatically shift upwards to $161,000 using an escalation clause, and this would get you the property under contract, as the seller will likely then choose your offer since you have the highest offer in this case. Now, an escalation clause, again, maxes out. So if for some reason other offers come in at $180,000, well, your offer max that you set in the escalation clause at $175,000 would then get beat out by those other offers. So you wouldn't then have to worry about overpaying for a home in the $180,000 since your max is $175,000. So it's a protective way to protect you as well in case other offers are way up there and you don't feel comfortable going that high. So it's a good strategy to use when making an offer to give you a chance to beat other competing offers when you get into bidding wars. Tip number 3, when getting a property under contract, make sure you have a home inspection. Do not waive the home inspection. A lot of offers right now from buyers are waiving home inspections as they think this will entice a seller to choose their offer. But what happens here is you end up buying a property without knowing what's wrong with it, and you could cost yourself thousands and thousands of dollars down the road. If you would have had the inspection done, you could uncover things like a faulty furnace or a leak in the roof that could cause thousands of dollars in water damage, or maybe there's structural damage to the foundation that might cause the whole property to be removed or taken down because it's about to fall over. So you never want to waive a home inspection, as it's a critical step in the home buying process to make sure that you're buying a safe property that's in good condition, and anything wrong with the property you'll find out. So then you can go back and negotiate with the seller and say, here's what's wrong with this property, and you can get a better deal on the property to make sure that you're not overpaying and getting screwed later when you find out you have a big $20,000 repair bill to fund. All right, so that's it for this video. 3 quick tips. Number 1, make sure you shop around and get multiple mortgage rate quotes from lenders. Step 2, use an escalation clause to help compete against other buyers. And step 3, make sure you're getting that home inspection, not waiving it in your offer. You want to make sure you have it so you can protect yourself from anything wrong with a property that you're about to spend thousands of dollars purchasing. Again, my name is Nick Foy with RE/MAX Oakcrest Realty. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up today and feel free to share it to your newsfeed. Thank you.